Jake, did you get an excavator too? Yeah. Oh, you got Mickey?
Yeah, Mickey Mouse.
All right.
Oh.
The letter?
The letter.
Uh-huh. Good. Oh, did you get Woody, Charlie? Is he soft so you can snuggle with him?
Yeah.
Aww.
He's soft.
Is your Mickey soft?
Yeah.
You get some cuddle buddies? Right.
Hey, Mommy.
Hi, Jake. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Mommy.
Merry Christmas, Charlie and Woody.
Yeah.
All right, wait. Let's see what else we have, okay?
Oh.